My name is Barry Rocco. I'm a patient here at West Park. Is the fact that everybody is positive. You know, when you start, I had a knee replacement. Well, the first few times I was up here, I was in a lot of pain. But everybody is encouraging. It doesn't matter which person you go to. They encourage you, but they don't hurt you. The other thing that I would like to say is once I was able to get into a routine of physical therapy, I felt like every time I came here, I was a week closer to being normal. They have everything you could possibly need, most of all, the on hands and the knowledge. The only thing I can say is it's been marvelous. I had a knee done 3 years ago. I came up here, and again, it was absolutely marvelous. I mean, I don't even know, except in a real cold weather, that I have an artificial knee. That's because it gets cold. But and I feel that this one, we're doing the same thing. And I could highly recommend it, and I can be honestly say that I do recommend it to all of my friends.
And if you need us, we'll be there for you.